Hey guys, welcome to another baseball card break with Matt. We have picked up another hanger of the 2021 Diamond Kings, guys. Finding these all over the place now, so that just tells me a lot of people either aren't having luck selling these on the flippers end, or just a lot of people don't really care too much about these. Me personally, I really like these cards, guys. They're really nice. They're well made, that's for sure. So let's go ahead and open this up for you guys out there that want to see those odds. I know a lot of you like that. That's the odds. You can go ahead and check that out, pause it, whatever you need to do. Here we go, guys. It'd be nice to score an autograph or another back card. I have scored a back card out of one of those first of the line packs that I bought at a hobby shop, but this is ripping retail right here today, guys. So pack is now opened. Let's see if we got anything pretty cool in here. Here we go. To start us off, we got a Braylon Marquez rookie card, guys. I like starting off with the rookies. We got Kohei Arihara, Alex Kirilloff rookie. Nice, starting off with good rookies right there. We got Aaron Judge, Ian Anderson's rookie card. We got Joey Votto, Braxton Garrett's rookie card. Man, this one's just stacked. We got Babe Ruth. Got Dylan Carson rookie card. Roger Hornsby. Jose Ramirez. Here is our red parallel. It is of Lucas Giolito. Stick that over there. We got our artist proof card of Joey Votto. So that's pretty crazy. Let's see if there is a difference. If you can spot any type of difference in that. Like, pretty much looks like the same card, except one just says artist proof on it. So I don't know. We'll stick our artist proof up here. Here we go, right here, guys. We got the club Cal Ripken. That's a really cool card. Check that out right there, guys. All right, here we go. We got Manny Machado right here with the elegance. That's a really nice card, guys. Check that out. All right, some more rookies right here. I see we got Deivi Garcia, Nick Nedirt. Here is our Diamond King debut of Shane McClanahan. That's pretty cool. Javier Baez. And the last one is going to be of Jose Altuve right there, guys. All right, so a lot of rookies in there, guys. Just to quickly go back through, we got the Nick Nedirt, Deivi Garcia, Dylan Carlson, Braxton Garrett, Ian Anderson, Alex Kirilloff, Kohei Arihara, Braylon Marquez. We got the Joey Votto artist proof card, and our red parallel was Lucas Giolito to add to the PC, guys. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to hit that like button down below for me, guys, and leave a comment. Tell me how your team's doing this year. Who is your favorite player to collect of all time, and who do you think the next hot rookie for Series 2 is going to be when it drops? Hope you guys have a wonderful week. Peace.